Alright, YouTube. Doing a little wiring for the shifter so it can work on my car. I don't know what to say. I'm gonna let y'all see in a minute, but just a little wiring, a little custom fitting for the center console shifter. Oh yeah, I just got an update too. I pick up my motor on the 25th, 27th, whichever day he feel comfortable and I feel comfortable to go get it, because I work during the week. So these videos are typically made on the weekend. So, and I'm typically working on my car on the weekend. So, just the piece by piece, update by update, what I'm doing here and what I'm doing there. But yeah, just bear with me. Appreciate all the viewers for staying tuned in. Yeah, just appreciate y'all for viewing, liking. Just need a couple y'all to comment, whoever y'all are. I sure appreciate y'all for liking though. But yeah, it's part one of me wiring up this shifter. I'm gonna let y'all see. I ain't got everything because I left the shifter car side of the shifter harness at the junkyard. I don't know how I managed to do that. I don't know. So either today, tomorrow, soon, so I can finish wiring up this stuff. I'm gonna wire what I can wire up now, like the traction control, the little safety mechanism, you know, when you put your foot on the brake, all that. I'm gonna wire all that up now until I get the wiring harness itself. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all see what I got going on right about now. Right. I ain't did nothing. I'm just trying to put my colors together and, you know, put some stuff together. That's traction control right there. I ain't using that serial light. I still got mine in the car. So I took the harness off. That's what this is. And this is the one off my car. Just gotta wire by wire, piece it up. That's what I'm looking at now on mine. That this is the traction control. So I had to end up splicing. Not splicing, but cutting. Cause I ain't, you know, I'm gonna use these fancy little butt connectors. Yeah. This is what I got going on right now. And what I was talking about, I forgot this harness. Is that right there, that plug. I forgot it. That goes to the car side. So I'm gonna have to run back and get that. And when I get that, I'll wire it in into here. And I'll wire in probably these wires 9 times out of 10. These 4, 3, 4, whatever. But yeah, that's what I got going on. Shouldn't take but probably a day or so. Knowing me, I like to mess around and take hella breaks. All because it's my shit though, so you know. Now if it was a customer shit, you know, I'm gonna run through it, have it buttoned up, ready to go in, all in a day's work. But it's mine, so get to it when I get to it, because I'm still waiting on a motor. Yep. Alright. Button is up. And I'll get back with y'all. Alright, YouTube. I'm back. Finished for now. Cause I gotta run and get the shifter harness that I left. But Caprice side that plugs into my Caprice. I'll just simply cut the ends that went into here. That's the traction. Had to get the other button out of there. It's a specialty button that I ain't gonna explain to y'all, but my Caprice fans know what it is. Say out with the old shit. Fuck it. This is the ABS that I was telling you about. So I got it tied into, I mean not the ABS, I don't know why I say ABS. Traction control button. Got it tied in to the Caprice side, so when I do hit the button, it will work. Okay. And then that's the little button I was talking about. So we just leave that alone, because Camaros didn't come with that button. I already got it prepped. This is going to the shifter side. And I got these little fancy connectors. So, yeah. I'll pause this here. And I gotta get the e-brake. I'm finna set that up right about now. I just wanted to show you all of this. Don't mind the toolbox, I'm gonna clean that up later. I'll get all that, straighten all that up. Well, yeah, Camaro shifter with the center console. All right, YouTube, finished product. Had to go get the connector. What's today? Monday night. Then I got it yesterday afternoon, morning, whatever. I had to get that connector. I had left it. As you can see, got it wired up. And let's just go to my Caprice side. Traction control button. Wired into my Caprice side. Special little button here. They ain't have no alternate for this, so I got to keep it like this. So yeah, everything else, Camaro side, connector, all that. Caprice side. Oh yeah. Special key factor. This little guy right here. Had to hunt him down. Lord. $42 plus shipping and handling. $50-something for a little piece of plastic. For my shifter rod. Goes on this side. Just gotta figure out. Of course it's the old one, but you know. Gotta figure out. I'll go like this. On this side. On the other side. Like that. So, I don't know. So I figured it out when I get it up in the end. But, finished product. Camaro shifter going in. With functioning traction control, transmission shift button. Aldo